A week or three back, I showed you how you can get these very cheap white gloves at hardware stores. For the Australian people, Bunnings have them. They only cost about $2, but you get like 10 in a packet. And they're just lovely cotton gloves. They stop you getting the rubber allergy that a lot of people do suffer from. But in general, they make doing a lot of tasks in the aviary much easier. So here we go. Rubber over the top, cotton. Now, when you're going from cage to cage, say I'm picking up here, I don't know, there's not much here, but say that's a bit of rubbish I've pulled out of the cage. The easy thing to forget is you've just handled the birds in here and probably their poo. And that's how most disease is transmitted, from one budgie perhaps eating the feces of another one, or getting it off the seed that another bird's sort of been chewing on or whatever. Now, when you're doing all your stuff to pick up rubbish around the aviaries and so on, this is what I do. You go, just quickly, I've got some, this is, well, by the way, this is how I do all of my water drinkers for the birds, is soak it. Now, I soak them, that's a standard sort of basin, half a cup to a full cup of pure bleach, and you've got to soak them. And people often don't get that. You've got to soak them for about 15 to 20 minutes. It takes that long to kill off the bacteria that you're worried about. So you do all that, but while it's all happening, when I've got to go from cage to cage, I'll do that. Now, if you were dipping your hands into strong bleach all day, you could get dermatitis or all sorts of problems. This is a cheap clean when you go to the next cage with no disease. So you're not spreading disease from here to here to here. You've stopped it all. This is a really great way of doing things, because disease is transmitted a huge amount of poo. If you're wondering when I'm saying I eat poo, budgies commonly eat the droppings of other budgies. And I presume they get stuff like lime, calcium out of it, but all sorts. In captivity, they can spread the disease very quickly, and all of a sudden you've got a problem. The more of this sort of treatment with bleach, and it's only, this is the one in the laundry, you know, and the brand doesn't matter. You can stop disease just roaring through your ovaries and having to sit there watching sick budgies. So just to recap what we're doing, I leave some bleach and water added, about a half cup to a cupful in there, and I go to one. If I'm a little bit worried I've touched a few things, like even the perch, back in there, give it another dip, and you just leave that sink full of beautiful bleach and water all day while you're here, and your disease level with the budgies will drop enormously.